माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
Honorable members, as you might be aware, the Indian Space Research Organization successfully launched its sixth satellite of the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System IRNSS-1F using PSLV C-32 on the 10th of March 2016 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh, adding yet another precious milestone in the success story of the Indian space history. The credit for this landmark achievement undoubtedly goes to our scientific community, particularly those working in ISRO. On behalf of the entire House and on my own behalf, I congratulate the scientists, engineers, and technicians who were associated with this project and do hope that they will continue to scale greater heights and make the country proud of their achievements. Papers to be laid on the table. Shri Sadanand Gowda.
Chairman, sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned at serial number 1 against my name in today's revised list of business.
Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Ramvilas Paswan, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of the business.
Shrimati Manega Sanjay Gandhi.
Sir, with your permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name, serial number 3.
Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad.
Permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House paper mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Santosh Kumar Gangwar.
आज की कार्यसूची क्रम संख्या 5 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लिखित कागजात को सदन के पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूं।
Shri Mohan Bhai Kalyan Bhai Kundaria.
पटल पर रखे जाने वाले कागज के संबंध में आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 6 से आज तक उल्लिखित कागज सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूं।
Shri Hansraj Gangaram Ahir.
क्रम संख्या 7 पर मेरे नाम से सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेज सदन पर रखता हूं।
Shri Manoj Sinha.
To lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 8 in today's revised list of business.
Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balia.
Sir, I beg to lay the paper on the table listed against my name at serial number 9 of the revised list of business of House.
Shri Jayant Sinha.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at part 2 in the revised list of business for today.
Now a statement by ministers. Shri Arun Jaitley.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I rise to make a statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 10th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance, 16th Lok Sabha on demands for grants 15-16 relating to Department of Economic Affairs, Financial Service, Expenditure and Disinvestment.
Thank you. Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad.
Sir, I stand up to make the following statement on the status of implementation of recommendations, observations contained in the 6th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology on demands for grants for 2015-16 pertaining to the Department of Electronics and Information Technology.
Statement regarding government business. Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से सूचित करता हूं कि बजट सत्र के पहले भाग की शेष अवधि के दौरान निम्नलिखित सरकारी कार्य लिए जाएंगे। आज की कार्यसूची में बकाया सरकारी कार्य के किसी मत पर विचारार्थ वर्ष 2016-17 के लिए बजट रेल पर सामान्य चर्चा 5 घंटा जो बचा हुआ है, लोकसभा द्वारा पारित किए गए रूप में सूचना प्रदाता संरक्षण संशोधन विधेयक 2015 पर विचार और पारित करना 3 घंटा, लोकसभा द्वारा पारित किए गए रूप में निम्नलिखित विधेयकों पर विचार और पारित करना, विनियोग रेल लेखानुदान विधेयक 2016, विनियोग रेल विधेयक 2016, वर्ष 2016-17 के लिए बजट सामान्य चर्चा 10 घंटा, लोकसभा द्वारा पारित किए जाने के पश्चात निम्नलिखित मांगों के संबंधित विनियोग विधेयक पर विचार कर लौटाना, वर्ष 2016-17 के लिए लेखानुदान मांगे सामान्य, वर्ष 2015-16 के लिए अनुपूरक अनुदान मांगे सामान्य, लोकसभा द्वारा पारित किए गए रूप में शत्रु संपत्ति संशोधन विनियम विधेयक 2016 पर विचार और पारित करना अध्यादेश से प्रस्थापित करना, बाल श्रम
No,
प्रतिषेध
please.
विनियम संशोधन विधेयक 2012 पर विचार और पारित करना, लोकसभा द्वारा पारित किए जाने के पश्चात निम्नलिखित विधेयकों पर विचार और पारित करना, आधार वित्तीय और अन्य सरकारी सेवाओं को संरक्षित पारित विधेयक 2016, संविधान अनुसूचित जाति आदेश संशोधन विधेयक 2016।
सर अग्रवाल जी
बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में समय आप दीजिएगा, ये हमने प्रपोज किया है गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस।
We decided to sit again
Point is-
and then finally decide.
No.
We didn't decide finally.
No, please, Naqvi, the question is, you have in your statement mentioned that time has been allotted to this. But the copy given to me, it is not mentioned there. That's what I'm asking. So what is the difference? It is not there.
Sir,
No.
time is not allotted. That is why we requested the Business Advisory Committee to allot the time, and I think today's Business Advisory Committee will discuss and allot the time. We discuss ना, time नहीं दिया इसमें, आपने सुना नहीं, मैंने time नहीं दिया इसमें। अरे भाई उसके ऊपर का है, इसमें हमने कोई टाइम नहीं।
No. This
अरे
was
भैया,
government
नरेश जी,
suggestion,
इस पे कोई
but
समय
not
नहीं बताया
approved
हमने।
by the
ये
Business
बिजनेस
Advisory
एडवाइजरी
No.
कमेटी तय करेगी,
Yes,
इसमें समय
your
नहीं
point is
बताया है,
correct.
ये
Sit
गवर्नमेंट
down.
बिजनेस है।
Let me make it clear. Now, please. आपका जो बोला ठीक है. Let me complete. The point is that this is now it is only government's intention to pass these following business. Time has to be allotted by the Business Advisory Committee.
Yes.
As I understand, it is not done.
Yes.
So it will be done by the Business Advisory Committee. Okay? That's all.
टाइम विल अलॉट बाय बिजनेस एडवाइजरी।
yeah, Business Advisory Committee.
ये हमारा ये है, गवर्नमेंट का बिजनेस है।
लेकिन आपने
बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी
No, लेकिन आपने टाइम भी मेंशन कर दिया, इसलिए
नहीं किया है, बिल्कुल नहीं किया है।
time दिया आपने।
सर
Okay, ठीक है.
आप जो है
So
वो
time,
रिकॉर्ड-
no, whatever time has been mentioned is expunged, that's all.
अगर
Expunge कर दिया.
आप देख लीजिए,
No,
अगर
no.
मैं सही कह रहा हूँ
अगर-
या फिर जो है वो
See,
नरेश अग्रवाल जी सही कह रहे हैं।
If
Time
in a
अगर हमने बोला
ठीक है,
होगा, please
हो गया,
check the record.
हो गया.
Every time nobody can.
No problem, ठीक है. No, I think he said he has not mentioned time. If inadvertently time is mentioned, it is expunged, that's all.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
ना बोलिए.
5 किलोमीटर दूर ये देश जो है इसका व्यवस्था और इस सरकार का काम देखिए। 5 किलोमीटर ये सदन बैठा है, 5 किलोमीटर जो नेशनल ग्रीन
No, that has been discussed here.
नहीं सर, ये
No.
देश का मामला ऐसे कैसे हो जाएगा? ये कोई बात है सर?
No.
यानी
Let me
5
take
किलोमीटर
zero.
ये सरकार
No.
यानी इसका समर्थन होगा?
No.
जो नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल है उसको चुनौती दे रहा है वो
आपने-
वो कह रहा है कि
आपने नोटिस नहीं दिया है.
नोटिस मैंने कल दिया
नोटिस
था।
नहीं दिया है.
सर ये नोटिस का मामला नहीं है, ये नोटिस का मामला नहीं है। आप ये बताइए कि एक आदमी सीपीडब्ल्यूडी कह रहा है कि ये जो स्टेज है खराब है।
पहले ये बात हम
पूरे
डिस्कस कर
environment
दिया.
department कह रहा है, आपके इंजीनियर्स कह रहे हैं कि ये ठीक नहीं है, वहाँ बड़ा हादसा होगा। देश भर में बाहर से लोग कह रहे हैं कि आतंकवादी यहाँ आए हुए हैं, वहाँ 35 लाख आदमी आएगा। और पूरी दिल्ली में जब किसान मजदूर आता है तो कहते हैं कि जाम हो गया, ये हो गया, बोले पूरी दिल्ली जाम होने वाली है। और हजारों रुपए लगा करके आप लोग जो है वो इस तरह से
हम तो ये
इस
जीरो
तरह से
हम पहले डिस्कस कर दिया ये सब्जेक्ट.
नहीं सर, मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ कि 5 किलोमीटर दूर ये सदन
तो क्या करूँ?
ये सदन
No,
हम लोग
that
बैठे हैं
the court
और
is
5 किलोमीटर दूर
in any
हिंदुस्तान
case-
की तबाही हो रही है।
In
ये
any
गंगा
case
की-
that is
नमामि
under-
गंगा कह रहे हैं ये लोग, नमामि गंगा की बर्बादी तो जमुना से हो जाएगी,
शरद जी,
जमुना से ही हो जाएगी।
शरद जी, in any case it is under consideration of the court.
जी से क्या नाराजगी है?
In any case,
अच्छे आदमी
it
है,
is under consideration of the court.
व्यक्ति है,
So why we
वो है
फैसला किया
और सांस्कृतिक
फैसला
कार्यक्रम
किया।
हो रहा है, उसमें जो है वो देश विदेश के लोग
Okay, honorable Hello, please.
आपका मिनिस्टर और प्रधानमंत्री जा जिम्मेदार है और कौन
हाँ,
जिम्मेदार
बिल्कुल जाना
होगा?
चाहिए, हम
ये
भी जाएंगे,
बताइए।
आपको भी जाना चाहिए।
क्यों?
आपको भी आमंत्रित
ये
किया
इस
होगा।
पर जुर्माना हुआ है,
इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम
उस
है?
आदमी पर जुर्माना हुआ है।
मुझे लगता है,
नेशनल ग्रीन
हमें लगता
ट्रिब्यूनल
है
ने
कि
जुर्माना किया है।
ये इशू क्लोज हो गया।
नेशनल ग्रीन
ये
ट्रिब्यूनल ने
इशू क्लोज हो
जुर्माना
गया।
किया, मंत्री जी।
सभापति महोदय,
सर,
इसमें
मंत्री
ग्रीन
जी,
ट्रिब्यूनल ने
ये क्या
निर्देश
कह रहे हैं?
आदेश कर
कोर्ट
दिया।
में है। मैंने
इशू इज
नेशनल
क्लोज।
ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल ने
वो-
जुर्माना किया है।
वहाँ पर
जुर्माना किया है।
पर्यावरण से संबंधित बात है। श्री रविशंकर जी खुद पर्यावरण के प्रति बहुत ही संवेदनशील है और वो पूरे देश में पर्यावरण को ठीक करने के लिए हमेशा युद्ध प्रयास करते रहते हैं। उनके लाखों अनुयायी हैं और उसपे जो है वो मतलब क्या राजनीतिक पूर्वाग्रह के साथ कोई भी बात कहना ठीक नहीं है। हमारा मानना है कि इसको राजनीति मतलब जिसको जाना है जाए, जो अच्छा लगे उसको अपना लो, जो बुरा लगे तो जाने दो।
फैसला नहीं मानेगा वो।
No, in any case, जरा आप सुनिए, आप लोग जरा सुनिए. In any case, this is a matter under consideration of the court. So what are we going to do now?
ये तो ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल ने फैसला किया हुआ है, 5 करोड़ का जुर्माना किया हुआ है पूरे डिपार्टमेंट को।
What can I do?
पूरे जुर्माना किया हुआ है।
फैसला नहीं मानेंगे।
खड़ी हो जाएगी, बोल दीजिए।
उन्होंने कहा है कि कोर्ट का फैसला नहीं, कोर्ट तय करेगा कि हम तय करेंगे। उन्होंने क्या कहा है, क्या नहीं कहा है।
What can I do?
इस इशू को यहाँ क्लोज करना
See,
चाहिए। इसमें राजनीतिक
You
पूर्वाग्रह
have
से
not given
बात करना
notice,
ठीक
then,
नहीं है।
see, now listen, if you have, see, if you have given 0 hour notice on this, I am ready to allow 0 hour, but it is not given. You have not given any, no, please, listen, yes, let me complete. The first thing is, there is no notice on this subject, no notice even for 0 hour mention, then what can I do? I have to take up 0 hour, that is the problem. What can I do? And it, आपने बोल चुका।
5 करोड़ का जुर्माना हुआ है। वो कहता है मैं जुर्माना नहीं दूंगा, वो सिस्टम से ऊपर अपने को बता रहा है। वो कह रहा है कि जुर्माना नहीं
चेयर
दूंगा।
कुछ नहीं कर
मैं जेल
सकते।
जाने को तैयार हूँ। अरे पहुंचाओ इसको जेल, इसको पहुंचाओ जेल।
No.
ये पूरे सरकार से ऊपर हो गया, सिस्टम से ऊपर हो गया, ये सिस्टम से ऊपर हो गया।
No, system will take care of it.
कैसे?
There is a court. There is a court.
ये उससे मिले हुए हैं, ये उससे मिले हुए
Court
हैं।
will take care of it.
ये
Don't
सरकार
worry.
मिला हुआ, इसलिए तो खड़ा हुआ हूं मैं, इसलिए तो खड़ा हुआ हूं मैं।
What is Jairam Ramesh?
Sir, I have been Minister of Environment and Forest. The Honorable Minister of Environment and Forest is right here walking around in the house. So whether it is the Akshardham temple, whether it is the Commonwealth Games village, whether it is this new Sri Ravi Shankar event, this is a complete ecological destruction of the Yamuna floodplain. I request the Honorable Environment Minister to do his job. He has to do his job. He has to protect the environment. He has to raise his voice.
Now please, that's all. All of you take your seat. All of you, no, nobody is allowed, only LOP. All of you take your seat. I like to go to 0 hour. Yes, what is LOP, what do you want? Yes, LOP, what do you want to say? No, please listen to LOP.
Sir.
See, no, not allowed, only LOP. Then 0 hour. There is CMAS LOP, 0 hour. You want to block it? You want to block it? Yes, please.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, I will not take more than 2 minutes.
Yeah, please.
Total.
Yeah.
At the outset, I would like to associate myself with Mr. Sharad Yadav ji, the issue he has taken up. And while not proceed. अरे मैं दूसरे सब्जेक्ट पे आ रहा हूँ. I am coming on another subject.
सुनिए. Yes, I will allow you. Now, Taru, Vijay, let me listen to what he says. No, let me listen to what he says. Let me understand. After that, I will allow Environment Minister.
Maulana,
Environment Minister.
Maulana. I said, while associating myself with Mr. Sharadji and other friends, and I'm sure after I am done, the Environment Minister will reply to the queries which we all have collectively raised yesterday, and today again Mr. Sharadji raised it. But I am asking another question. This is in continuation to the query and the question which I raised, that how Mr. Vijay Mallya was allowed to flee from our country. Now, it has come to my notice since yesterday morning that on 16 October 2015, the CBI informed the immigration authorities that should Mr. Mallya intend or try to leave this country, he should be detained. So, detention orders were issued by CBI. But on 15, exactly a month later, on 15th of October, the CBI changed its order and told immigration that they should be only informed. So what has happened from 16th October to 15th of November that made the CBI to change its original order from detention to the information? So this was my charge yesterday. The government is party for his fleeing from this country. And we were also told that there were no court orders. But let me quote Times of India on January, that on 14th of January, a senior campaigner with Greenpeace India and environmental NGO was stopped at IG airport from boarding a flight to London on Sunday. Priya Pillai, who works on climate and energy and on the rights of tribal people in Mahan in Madhya Pradesh, was stopped at the immigration counter despite having a valid visa. Her passport was stamped with offloaded, unquote. So there was no court. It was only the government order. They stopped her traveling from Delhi to London. But in this case, are being told, since there was no court order, we couldn't stop this. So my questions are two: what made the government, the CBI, to change its original order of 16 October on 15th of November, and what were the reasons when Mrs. Pillai was not allowed, but on the same grounds the government has said that since there was no court order, we could not allow her. So this is a double speak and double talk on the part of the government.
Srimati Vijaya Satyanath. Vijaya Satyanath. No, what are you doing? Go back to your seat. No. You go back to your seat.
अपोजिशन जो बात कर रहे हैं, दरअसल जो कटौती का अनुभव है उसके आधार पर बात हो रही होगी। विजय माल्या के बारे में बहुत स्पष्ट तौर से सरकार ने कहा है कि देश का आनापाई देश को वापस लौटाया जाएगा, हम उसको कटौती की तरह कंसेशन देने वाले नहीं है। इसलिए अगर उनका इस तरह का अनुभव है तो उस अनुभव के आधार पर अगर कोई बात कह रहे हैं तो आई एम वेरी सॉरी, हम उनको स्पष्ट करना चाहते हैं कि हम उस तरह की छूट नहीं देने वाले हैं जिस तरह से उन्होंने कटौती को दी थी।
Okay. What is it? What is the subject? I don't know. No, go. What is your problem, Ramalingam?
Fly for Sundalam, 9,000 crores. But a farmer, he got the loan for a tractor for 56,000 rupees. He was being beaten.
I don't understand SYL.
When you notice to the Chief Secretary and the head of the police. But what the government is doing, sir? Sir.
Okay, all right, yes.
In which
Sit down. Navanedi Krishnan.
In which
Yes, Navanedi Krishnan, what do you want to say?
Thank you.
What do you want to say?
1 minute.
What do you want to say?
No, in Tamil Nadu, thank you.
Others keep quiet. You keep quiet. Ramalingam, sit down. Yes? Sit down. Okay, sit down. Yeah, what is Navanedi Krishnan?
Thank you, Deputy
Yes, Navanedi Krishnan, what is your problem?
In Tamil Nadu, the GAIL is laying the pipeline cutting across 7 districts of Tamil Nadu. Our honorable Chief Minister has addressed a letter to the Honorable Prime Minister to withdraw the notification which enables the GAIL to lay the pipeline in the agricultural lands and
Okay.
residential properties.
You raised it earlier here in this house.
No. GAIL is not raised. So the GAIL is permitted by the central government to lay the pipeline cutting across the 7 districts in the lands of the farmers.
So what do you want?
So in the notification issued by the government must be withdrawn.
Okay.
Must be
That is
withdrawn.
for the government to consider.
Honorable,
Yeah.
Honorable
All right.
Chief Minister Amma,
Sit down.
it must be withdrawn.
Okay. Srimati Vidila Satyanath, 0 hour.
Yes.
0 hour.
Honorable Deputy Chairman,
What can I do?
This is a very important issue.
What is this?
Which time and
I
again
don't know.
our Honorable Chief Minister of
No
Tamil Nadu
notice from their
has been
side.
reiterating this Indian government.
You
for
have not given
the
a notice.
release of fishermen who have been abducted on
You have not given a notice.
2016. 4 fishermen on board.
Only
in
what
unauthorized
Vigila says
traditional
will be on
trade
record.
Has been abducted from
Only
4
what
acre
Vigila
fishing
Satyanath
nets.
says will
And
be on
again,
record.
On 9/3/2006,
Nothing else will go on record.
Fishermen were they set out for fish from Kotai Pattinam and was taken to Karai Nagar, Sri Lanka. The right historically enjoyed by our fishermen in Tamil Nadu to fish in the traditional waters of Park Bay is now being repeatedly infringed upon by the Sri Lankan Navy. We are so, Amma has vehemently opposed the Sri Lankan Navy time and again that they have been encroaching upon our waters and they have been abducting our poor fishermen who bring lot of revenue. They bring natural revenue to the country. They work in the hazardous, very pitiable conditions. Their families are suffering and already the maritime border has been challenged by the Honorable Supreme Court. The government of Tamil Nadu has taken a stand that the government of India should not treat the international maritime boundary with the Sri Lanka as a settled issue because there is an unsettled question. The 1994 and 96 accord has been, it has to be announced as null and void because the absence of the mandatory constitutional amendment and to restore Kachatibu to India, that will influence the traditional rights of India for the people of them. I now bring to this August House, only 54 minutes, I now request on behalf of Amma has directed and has requested the Honorable Prime Minister that the Ministry of External Affairs should take it very seriously and take proactive action through diplomatic channels to secure the immediate release of 68 fishermen and 78 fishing boats, including the 4 fishermen and their 1 mechanized fishing boat apprehended on 10/3/2016. I now request the government, I have time, I now request the government to immediately give an answer. What will be the permanent solution of the release of these fishermen? Every time they have been abducted, every time they go through very serious implications.
Time over. Nothing will go on record. No, that's okay. Time over, sit down. All those who associate will be added. Time over. Now listen. Now please, Vidila, please stop. Vidila, please stop. Your time is over. No, please stop. Your time is over. Now the agitated Congress members, you have not even given a notice. Where is the notice? It is not in the 0 hour. then it is not here. It is not permitted here. Dr. M.S. Gill, yes, M.S. Gill, you are sure. Yes, I will allow you, Dr. M.S. Gill. I will. No, see, Dr. M.S. Gill has given notice. I will allow him, but that is allowed. M.S. Gill is allowed. You can go on. You can go and associate, but what? Please. Please. No, please. No, please. What is the name? This is a... Yes, your notice was time barred. That is no, yes. No, I said, MS, Dr. Gill will be allowed. You can associate. Go and associate. So please go back. Please go back. I said I will allow you to associate. Please go back. Go back. Now, Dr. M.S. Gill. Dr. M.S. Gill. Dr. M.S. Gill. You are calling attention on dispute, serious situation. Yeah.
अध्यक्ष जी
No, sorry, zero over. Zero over. I am sorry. Zero over. Balgopal, don't be angry. There can be a slip also.
Shankar Rao, listen.
Yeah. He wants to prevent the zero over. Yes, zero over.
अध्यक्ष जी मैं आज please what is this, why don't you let
No,
me
please.
speak? Sir, give me my time, 3 minutes. अध्यक्ष जी आपका धन्यवाद. मैं अपने साथियों को इस हाउस में गंभीरता से समझाना चाहता हूं क्योंकि मैं 1958 से आईएएस हूं, पुराने पंजाब का, ये साथ थे, और 1960 की जो दरियाओं की पंजाब की बांट हुई नेहरू और लियाकत अली की, वो मैं जानता हूं. उसमें पंजाब को, उस समय के पंजाब को 15.2 million acre feet only. Pakistan got 2/3, we got 1/3. बड़ा है. And then in the way our history went, we had no capital. I have said here before that it was a partition of the Punjab, not of India, essentially of the Punjab, and brutal and total. All of you know it. उसके बाद एक second please. Yes, Bengal very much. But I am focused here. Please don't disturb me. उसके बाद हमारा capital भी गया लाहौर. Nehru made Chandigarh and Bakhda to revive Punjab. And Chandigarh is gone. A joint secretary from here rules it. A Thanedar can take Mr. Badal and put him in jail. That is the law. As a DM, I can tell you. That is where we are forever and ever. We will never have a capital. Then Bakhda bhi le liya. Now, in 76, the then Prime Minister, in an administrative decision, because they had government on both sides, and the Punjab Chief Minister Darbara Singh, I will name him, he was summoned here, and pehle to 8 million acre feet out of 15 was given to Rajasthan. They have taken it to Barmer. I have been there. They are taking it to the Gujarat border, even lift irrigation. Wo to gaya hamara. We have only salinity now of that great canal in my district. And then the 7 million of the old Punjab, she said 50-50. So Punjab today out of 15.2 is left with 3.5, if that. The water cycle of 20 years has shown that the water has gone down. Your glaciers in the Himalayas are dead. I have been DM there also in Himachal. Then where are we going to go? And we will always be without a capital, without water, without the Bakhda, without anything. I said in the President's address also, those of you who noted what I was trying to say, that river waters cannot be settled by court orders. This order was given 8-10 years ago and it is lying there. Kaveri ka nahi ho raha hai. You can't do it. Tungabhadra ka nahi ho raha hai. Krishna ka nahi ho raha hai. This is the world over. And I said in a address once that in this century the wars will be water wars between countries and inter-countries. So please, this has to be settled coolly with all parties applying calmly, not by...
Okay. Shalja, you can associate. Are you associating?
I have to say because I'm from Haryana, sir. He's from Punjab. Sir.
No.
Sir, may I?
No. Let me make it clear. I have to make one point clear.
People of Haryana are looking towards you, sir.
Shalja,
Sir, please.
Saljaji,
Sir,
no, listen.
I may.
Saljaji, with all respect, I have to make one point clear. I don't know the details or the nitty-gritty of the dispute. I am only saying the rule allows only to associate, not to contradict.
Sir,
Are you going to associate
kindly.
or contradict?
Sir, I have also given a notice.
Then
Sir,
you-
I only want to say. Sir, I only want to say that a Supreme Court ruling.
only she.
Supreme Court has decided. Supreme Court has given its ruling that Punjab must complete SYL and
No, no,
give
so-
Haryana its due share of water.
Okay.
And presidential, presidential address
So
is
you are not
pending in
associating.
Supreme Court,
So-
and Punjab arbitrarily,
Then-
with an eye on the polls,
nothing
this
more.
Akal.
Okay. Dr. T.N. Seema.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you very much,
Dr.
sir.
T.N. Seema.
Sir,
You can only associate. That is the problem. I told you.
thank you very much, sir. Sir, I would request the attention of this August House.
Saljaji, give another notice.
Sir,
You give another notice.
I'm losing my time, sir.
No, you
Sir,
repeat the notice. No, Saljaji, your notice was late. It was time barred. You repeat it on Monday. You repeat on Monday. Now, Dr. T.N. Seema, nothing else will go on record. Dr. T.N. Seema. Yeah, please.
Sir,
Nothing else will go on record. Dr. T.N. Seema, sit down.
I would
No,
request
no, no.
the attention
You
of
are
the
not given
August
notice.
House towards an important
Not given
issue
notice. Yeah.
regarding non-disclosure of data of clinical trial. The trial of the rotavirus vaccine called 116E vaccine
Give
in
notice.
Vellore, Tamil
Give
Nadu by the
notice.
Christian Medical College, Vellore, and the Department of Biotechnology
No violation.
of
Give
the
notice.
Government of India has raised doubts
Give
about
notice on Monday, I am
ethical
telling you.
standards in clinical trials. The trial involving 6-week-old infants. Their parents trustingly allow their babies to be experimented on. The 116E rotavirus vaccine was tested in 3 centers, Delhi, Pune and Vellore.
Nothing else will
A
go on
present
record.
complication
Only
of the
what
vaccine is
Dr. T.N. Seema says will go on record.
An instance of an inversion of one portion of the intestine within another, and there is a risk of bacterial infection and death. However, the trial doctors have so far refused to disclose the figures from Vellore and how many babies developed clinical evidence of interception among the vaccinated. The World
Give
Health
notice.
Organization has strongly advocated
notice
for
Monday.
public disclosure of clinical trial results. Without disclosing this data, there is a plan to do a study for the same for 1 lakh more children, exposing them to the risk without their knowledge. This violates the basic rules of ethical clinical research. The data on adverse events in Vellore has not even been shared with the government's advisory body, the National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization, despite repeated requests. More tellingly, the PMO has requested analysis
you
of
come here, you say
segregated
it.
Vellore data twice,
I will
but
call
it
you
has
here
been
today.
denied.
Then you say it.
Sir, under the Right of Information Act 2005, this data acquired with the GOE funding must be supplied to request to any citizen in the country. It is this information that has been denied even to the PMO. It may be noted that the patent of this so-called Indian vaccine is held by US Department of Health and Human Services. It is clear that they are to profit from its sales. This explains the impunity with which PMO and the interest of the country's children are being disregarded. Sir, I urge the government to ensure the disclosure of study data of clinical trial of rotavirus vaccine in Vellore Christian Medical College and Department of Biotechnology before going for further trials. Thank you, sir.
Sri Praveen Rashtrapal. Sri Praveen Rashtrapal. Sri Praveen Rashtrapal.
Sir, the education is in the concrete list of the Constitution, and hence both central government and state government can make
Nothing
rules.
else will go on record.
As far as the government of Gujarat has concerned, they have cancelled examination in the public school, in the government school, whereas in private school there are regular examination. I am of the considered opinion that not taking examination up to standard 9 will harm the interest of the student. Regular examination will help the student to pass 10th and 12th standard with very good mark. I therefore request the central government to see that there is pakka examination system in the primary, higher secondary school also. So all poor students who are taking education in the government school will get opportunity to contest in MBBS and higher courses. Thank you very much.
Now see, now Kumari Shalja, I would request you to repeat your notice for Monday, and Honorable Chairman will consider. Please go back to your seat. Now, today it was late, so you repeat for Monday in time. Yes, please. Now go back. Go back, please. No. It's not. It is unfair. It is unfair. Dr. Sanjay Singh, it is unfair.
माननीय महोदय, उत्तर प्रदेश के कुछ मंत्री कभी कभार
केसी त्यागी, you are a senior member, very senior member. Shalja was cabinet minister. How can you do all that?
कई सारे राज्यों से बेहतर वहाँ शांति व्यवस्था है। मैं सदन का ध्यान उत्तर प्रदेश की बिगड़ती हुई कानून व्यवस्था में सुल्तानपुर और अमेठी का खास करके कुछ ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहता हूँ। पिछले अपराध के लिहाज से शांतिपूर्ण माना जाने वाला अमेठी सुल्तानपुर कुछ महीनों से वहां पर तमाम सारे ऐसे वारदात घटनाएं हो रही हैं जिनसे बहुत ही चिंता है, लोगों में बड़ा अशांति है। पहली घटना सुल्तानपुर में चांदा के ईंट व्यवसायी श्री उमाशंकर मौर्य को 3 मार्च 2016 को उनकी हत्या कर दी गई, जबकि कुछ महीने पहले उनके ही भाई श्री रमाकांत मौर्य की 4 सितंबर 2015 को गोली मारकर हत्या कर दी गई थी। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने वहां पर 5-6 दिन तक शव पड़ा रहा। उसके बाद वहां घोषणा हुई 10 लाख उनको मुआवजा मिलेगा, और उसके बाद उन लोगों ने मांग की कि इसकी सीबीआई जांच हो। जिलाधिकारी के कई बार हमारे बात करने के बावजूद भी अभी तक ऐसा आदेश नहीं हो पाया है। दूसरी घटना अमेठी में रामगंज से ज्ञानीपुर अपने घर जा रहे बीमा अभिकर्ता श्री अशोक कुमार सरोज को शाम 5:30 बजे गोली मार दी गई, जिससे उनकी मौके पर ही उनकी मौत हो गई। श्री अशोक कुमार सरोज का एक विवाद में 10 जनवरी 2016 को कुछ लोगों से हुआ था, जिसमें उन्हें चोटें भी आई थी, किंतु जब उन्होंने पीपलपुर थाने में FIR दर्ज करने की बात कही तो उन्हें 151 धारा लगा करके उन्हें चालान किया गया, और बाद में उन्हीं के यहाँ पीड़ित सरोज के खिलाफ 307 का मुकदमा दर्ज हो गया। माननीय महोदय, पुलिस प्रशासन अगर इसी तरह से उसकी जांच सीरियसली करती तो ये शायद अपराध न हो पाता। आज कुछ घटनाएं ऐसी हैं जिनमें 10 जनवरी को एक अमेठी के ट्रक चालक की खलासी बंधक बना करके ट्रक और उसकी नकदी लूट ले गए, आज तक उसका पता नहीं चला। 12 जनवरी को सुल्तानपुर में सूरापुर बाजार में सर्राफा व्यवसायी छोटेलाल सोनी को गोली मार दी गई और लाखों लूट लिया गया। 24 जनवरी को वहां पर कमला प्रसाद पांडे को धारदार हथियार से उनकी हत्या हो गई। अमेठी के डॉक्टर DP सिंह की हत्या हुई कुछ महीनों पहले, आज तक उसकी जानकारी नहीं हो पाई, पुलिस आज तक जांच नहीं कर पाई। आज श्री अशोक कुमार सरोज के परिवार ने विधवा पत्नी मंजू सरकारी नौकरी दिलाने के लिए 50 लाख मुआवजे के लिए CBI जांच के लिए उन्होंने मांग की है। माननीय महोदय, केवल नवंबर 15 से 9 मार्च तक 15
Time over. What is your? No, you see, you go back to your seat and tell me what you want. Go back to your seat. I will allow you. But go back to seat and keep. I will allow you. But when I ask only. Yeah. No, okay. I will allow you also. I will allow you also. No, I will allow you also. Yes, I will do that also. Gil Saab, you go back to your seat. Gil Saab, senior, very senior, go back. I will allow both of you, go back. Yeah, yes, I know that. I will allow. Now, Sri Hussain Dalwai. Now, see, I will allow Hussain Dalwai now speak.
A dedicated component within the budget was created during the fifth five-year plan and was called the tribal sub-plan, and it had the objective of socio-economic development and protection of scheduled tribes against exploitation. As per the census of 2011, the population of scheduled tribes is just 8.6% of the total population of the country, but they comprise just 2.8% of the urban population. They lag behind the country in many other social indicators as well. Only 22.6% of the ST households have latrine facilities within the premises. As many as 87.5% of the ST households rely on unclean fuels like firewood, coal, crop residue, etc. Only 19.7% of the households have drinking water facilities available within the premises. In rural areas, as much as 47% of the ST population is illiterate. Despite this, there has been no seriousness to focus on their development, and there have been serious mishandling of the tribal sub-plan meant for their welfare. As per the 2015 performance audit of the tribal sub-plan by the CAG, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, despite being the nodal ministry for the welfare of the scheduled tribes, was not invited for consultation when other central ministries were preparing their annual plans. Because of this, there has been no proper planning of implementation of schemes throughout proper utilization of TSP. The report noted that there have been many instances for underutilization and diversion of funds earmarked for TSP. Similar is the fate of minorities and scheduled castes who lag behind the country in many development indicators and yet are not included in the larger development discourse. I am disappointed to note that the union budget has actually reduced the budgeted expenditure for the Ministry of Minority Affairs. This has been a continuous trend as against the actual expenditure of 3,088 crore in 2014-15. There was a budgeted estimate of just rupees 2,494 crore in 2015. Similarly, as against revised estimate of rupees 3,735 crore in 2015-16, the budgeted expenditure is just 2,008.
Okay, time over. Sri Hanuman Rao.
Deputy Chairman, sir,
Sri Hanuman Rao.
the OBC constitute nearly 60% of the Indian population, and based on the Mandal Commission report, in 1993 onwards, sir, they are provided 27% reservation in jobs of the central government and public sector, sir. Undertaking, even after 23 years, representation of OBC has not gone beyond 10% in many departments, sir. Outside, people are thinking that OBC have taken all the posts, but it is not so, sir. I give one data. In public sector bank, like 450 general managers posts are there, sir. Only 5 from the OBC category. That is only percent. Similarly, out of 1,255 deputy general manager posts are there, sir. Only 16 from OBC category. Even central government, this is a pathetic situation in banking sector. Similarly, 10 ministries in a group A post, there is no single OBC category person. We are zero, sir, in central government. After nearly 70 years of the independence, this is the pathetic condition of OBC. Where will they ask who is responsible, who is accountable, sir? Our parliamentary committee for OBC repeatedly requests to give constitutional powers to National Commission for Backward Class, but government is not considering, sir. In creamy layer imposed on OBC has prevented eligible OBC to get the opportunity, sir.
I'll allow.
Now nearly 400 judges are going to be appointed in various high courts, sir, unless reservation is not provided to OBC, SC, ST and minorities. Even after 25 years, they will not get any chance to become the judges, sir. Now various upper caste communities are fighting, including from OBC category. But we originally, OBC still could not get any share. Where will go, sir? If these OBC 60% of the population also come to the streets, what will happen? Our OBCs are waiting and they will come. They will also come unitedly to the streets to get justice, sir. Sir, Dr. Ambedkar won in 1950. How long we continue deny equality in our social and economic life, sir? We must remove these contradictions at the earliest possible moment, else those who suffer from inequality will blow up the structure of the political democracy. That is why I am cautioning the government to seriously consider the matter raised by...
Yeah. Okay, all those, I'll call you. Yeah. All the names will be added. Sri K.N. Balgopal. All the names will be added. Sri K.N. Balgopal. K.N. Balgopal.
Sir, thank you, sir. This is a very serious issue regarding the sharp fall in the price of natural rubber, sir. And this may be a subject which may be dealt in this house as Siror or any other matter calling attention maximum time in the last some years. But even now, after I came to this house in 2010, now we are going to retire. All these times we raised this issue, and earlier it was started from when it was 240 per kilo. When it was 180 onwards, we started this thing. Now, after this whole 6 years, it came to 80 rupees per kilo, sir, for natural rubber. And it is because of the Indo-ASEAN agreement. The Honorable former Prime Minister is there. We fought in the street against this Indo-ASEAN agreement at that time, stating that the rubber price and other plantation crops and other prices will fall down. At that time, they said, no, it will benefit. But what actually is happening, from 240 rupees per kilo, it came to 80 rupees. And now rubber farmers in Kerala, they started to commit suicide, sir. It's a very serious situation, sir. Per year, around 9 lakh tons we were producing, sir, 11 lakh farmers. And now the production came down to 6 lakh tons per year. And farmer on an average, because of the price fall, they are losing around 15,000 crore per annum, sir. Sir, now the tire companies are not reducing their price. Tire is same as earlier. Maruti tire 5 years back, 3,000 for a tire. Now it is same. Sir, this situation, whenever we are raising this, it is only in the deaf ears of the government. Now the government came, this government is here for 2 years, but they are also not considering anything. We are asking for a special package. Earlier they said there is a 500 crore rupee fund is there for price stabilization. Earlier government was saying, this government was saying. They are not giving anything, or special package is needed. Government is additionally getting 2 lakh crore from excise duty in the coming year. At least 2,000 crore or 1,000 crore if they are putting for this thing, it will be very helpful, sir. So it is our humble request. We are now for Kingfisher, their earlier government suggested for a bailout package. Because of some industrial houses, they were not ready. 4,000, 3,600 crores was planned to bail out. But for Kingfisher, the former finance minister, they were ready for a bailout package. Now, this company flood with 9,000 crores. But for the poor farmers, 11 lakh families, the government is not ready. Rubber board was selected, no meeting, no other spices board, any other board. So the government have to say something, give a special package. No chairman and either me. There was a contest in this house. I contested with the other fellow, my fellow member. There was a contest and the rubber board never met. So this is the attitude of the government.
Okay, time over. Now see. No. Sit down. Now see. Sit down. You sit down. All of you take your seat. All of you, Rakesh, sit down. Take your seat. All of you take your seat. I am asking you, requesting you, take your seat. No, I have to say something about this. You sit down. No, sit down, sit down. I have to say something about it. You sit down. You sit down. You sit down. Mr. Naqvi, see, you have to convey to the, please, you have to convey to the Commerce Minister, see, the price of this natural rubber was 250 rupees. A committee headed by Chandan Mitra ji visited and he has personally understood the problem and recommended also. Now the price is 80 rupees. 80 rupees. And see, rubber was cultivated and encouraged to be cultivated as an import substitute. Now people are cutting away the trees. And ultimately what will happen? You will have to import the entire rubber at the cost of the precious foreign exchange. So something has to be done. Something has to be done. The request from all members was there for the last 1 year. You please report to the Commerce Minister that this has to be attended to and something has to be done. I can tell you I have 1 acre of rubber that is not being tapped because what you get from the yield, the price, that is not sufficient to pay the tapper even. So I am also not tapping it. Even now, listen. But I have sit down. I have no problem because I have no. But for an ordinary farmer having 1 acre or 2 acre or 3 acre, they have nothing. I mean, if they resort to committing suicide, you cannot do. So please do something. Now, Sri K.N. Balgo. Pardon?
No full-time chairman of the rubber board.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
No full-time chairman of the rubber board.
Yes.
18 months.
That is also
18 months. 18 months.
I agree with you. I agree with
Please convey them.
Yes, I agree with. Now, please, I agree with Honorable Sri J.R. Ramesh. This rubber board, yes, I will give you time. Rubber board is an undertaking of the central government. For the last 18 months, there is no chairman. Why it is not being done? So, Chandan Mitra?
I'm very glad that you brought up this issue because this is a very serious matter and you rightly said that we undertook, our committee, the Commerce Committee undertook a visit to Kerala and we went and spoke to a lot of rubber cultivators and farmers and their distress is really pathetic. There's no doubt about it. And the problem is that, you see, they are all demanding that at least let us impose some kind of duty against the import of cheap synthetic rubber or natural rubber from Malaysia, Thailand and other places.
Now please, let him complete. Let him complete.
Sir, let us approach this matter together, Mr. Ramesh.
Yeah.
No, we should not have any dispute. It is an all-party committee. We have recommended. The committee has recommended, sir, report has been tabled in this house. Committee has recommended that the government should impose a kind of offset duty or countervailing duty to prevent
government may consider that recommendation also. Thank you, Sri Basuraj Patil.
We can have another round
Sri Basuraj Patil.
And
that's over. Sri Basuraj Patil. Basuraj Patil. That's over. Sit down. Sit down. Nothing will. That's over. No. I have directed. That is enough. Sit down. Basuraj Patil. Sit down. Basuraj Patil.
कर्नाटक प्रदेश के
कर्नाटक
प्रदेश के गुलबर्गा सिटी के अंदर भारत सरकार के लेबर मिनिस्ट्री के द्वारा एक हॉस्पिटल बना है। पूर्व सरकार के मंत्री
I have asked the government to examine. That's enough.
उसको प्रधानमंत्री और यूपी के नेता द्वारा उसका उद्घाटन किया गया है। लगभग 1200 करोड़ रुपए का हॉस्पिटल है, 50 एकड़ जमीन में बना है। वहां हॉस्पिटल में मेडिकल कॉलेज होना चाहिए। नाम मात्र प्रारंभ हुआ है, पूरे बेड हॉस्पिटल के उपयोग में नहीं है। नर्सिंग कॉलेज प्रारंभ नहीं हुआ है, इनॉग्रेशन होकर 2 साल हुआ है। उसका 95% स्टाफ क्वार्टर्स खाली है। इतना बड़ा 2000 करोड़ रुपए का कीमत का, जो गरीब लेबरों का खून से बना हुआ है, उसका लेबरों के हित में अगर ठीक उपयोग नहीं होगा तो ये देश के हित में नहीं होगा। मैं हमारे सरकार से विनती करता हूं, पूरे भारत, दक्षिण भारत के कम से कम जो पेशेंट्स होते हैं लेबर के, उनके लिए एक अच्छी ट्रीटमेंट के दृष्टि से एक अच्छी प्रकार का परिपूर्ण व्यवस्था से वहां पर हॉस्पिटल बने। उसका इतना बड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दिया गया है जिसमें रोज कम से कम 50,000 लोग आके जाना चाहिए। आज वहां पर 500 लोग उसके अंदर आके नहीं जाते हैं, तो एक प्रकार पैसा नहीं है, हम रोते हैं। दूसरी तरफ 2000 करोड़ की संपत्ति बेकार पड़ी है। मैं इसलिए हमारे लेबर मिनिस्ट्री से और अपने सरकार के प्रधानमंत्री से मैं विनती करता हूं, ठीक से ठीक, जल्दी से जल्दी इसका पूरा प्रॉपर्टी का सदुपयोग हो, बेकार न जाए। और गुलबर्गा एक 371 के अंदर आने वाला एक पिछड़ा हुआ इलाका है, अगर वहां पर इसको फुल फ्लेज में किया जाएगा और उसके बाद फिर बाजू का आंध्रा है, महाराष्ट्र है, कर्नाटक है, इन 3 प्रदेशों में आने वाले लोगों को, अगर गरीब लेबरों को ट्रीटमेंट की अच्छी व्यवस्था अगर की जाएगी तो वो एक मॉन्यूमेंटल काम होगा। मैं समझता हूं कि सरकार इसे बेकार नहीं जाने देगी और यह जनता के हित में पूरा जितना भी जल्दी हो तुरंत उपयोग हो। पिछले इतिहास में कुछ भी हुआ होगा, अब जो चीज बना है उसका पूरा उपयोग हो, ये मैं माननीय सरकार से विनती करता हूं और जल्दी से जल्दी इस दिशा में कार्रवाई हो, मैं प्रार्थना करता हूं।
Thank you very much. Now, Shalja ji, take 2 minutes and say what you are saying. Nobody else should disturb.
Just 2 minutes.
I will allow you also.
सर, पंजाब
2
हमारा
minute
बड़ा भाई है। पंजाब के किसान बहुत मेहनत कश हैं और उनके कारण आज देश ने ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन भी देखा। सर, हरियाणा पंजाब एक समय में एक था और छोटे बड़े भाई में कभी कोई डिफरेंस होना नहीं चाहिए। सर, 2004 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फैसला दिया कि पानी को कैसे तकसीम करेंगे, SYL पर दिया। प्रेसिडेंट ने रेफरेंस के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट से प्रेसिडेंशियल रेफरेंस दिया गया। सर, अभी उसका फैसला आना है। सर, चुनाव आ रहे हैं पंजाब में, अकाली सरकार ने वहां पर आर्बिट्रेरीली, इलीगली ये फैसला लिया है कि जो 77 में जमीन एक्वायर हुई थी। सर, हरियाणा पंजाब, जैसा कि गिल साहब ने कहा, पानी का बहुत पहले से ये मामला चल रहा है। 77 में जमीन एक्वायर की गई SYL के लिए, SYL का कंस्ट्रक्शन 95% हो भी गया, लेकिन जब अकाली आए हैं, सर, अकाली सरकार ने सिवाय वोट की राजनीति के और कुछ नहीं किया। अब पंजाब का चुनाव आ रहा है और ये केवल क्योंकि पंजाब को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया है अकालियों ने, पंजाब के लोगों को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया है, पंजाब के यूथ को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया है, पंजाब के किसान को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया है इस अकाली सरकार ने। और अब केवल क्योंकि चुनाव आ रहे हैं, चुनाव के लिए अब ये फैसला करते हैं कि जमीन वापस कर दे।
हो गया। Now you take a seat. Srimati Ambika Soni. Srimati Ambika Soni. Srimati Ambika Soni, you start.
I'm sorry to say, I do not quite agree. I do not
Okay,
quite agree.
what you said is on record. Sit down.
So,
Srimati Ambika Soni.
I do not quite
Only what
agree
Ambika
with
Soni
my
says will go on
colleague
record.
Shalja.
Nothing else.
I do not quite agree.
Let your complete. I will allow you also. I will allow you also. Let your complete.
It is
I will
a
allow you
matter
also.
of Punjab.
No problem.
It is Akali
I will allow you
does
also.
not have ownership
You want
over
expense?
Punjab.
I will go
It's
through
a
the
matter
record.
of
I will
water
go
for
through the
Punjab.
record. Anything that is be expended, I will expend. Sit down. Now, please. Yes, Ambika Soni, boliye.
No, sir. Punjab.
I will
even
go
though-
through the record and expend what is to be
Let
expended.
us speak after me.
Yeah.
Punjab was a land of 5 rivers, but today on all the land which was given up to in this arbitration, Punjab has gone dry. 144 blocks of the total land which was given are today absolutely dry. Only 23 blocks have water. And the water which was divided according I am talking
What do you want?
Don't sit down. Sir,
I will allow you also. You will get chance, don't worry.
मैं आपसे कहना चाहती हूँ 2-3 मिनट बोलना
Now it is time for question hour. You can raise it next day. You can raise next day. Time for question hour.
Silence, please. Question hour. Question hour. Please sit down. Please sit down, everyone. The 0 hour is over. This is question hour. Please sit down. Everybody sit down. No, I'm afraid not. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. What is this going on? This is question hour. Please, Ambika ji, Shalja ji, please sit down. Please, no. The honorable members who want to debate a subject not on the agenda are welcome to go outside and continue the debate. Please sit down. No, please sit down. Please sit down. आप बैठ जाइए, please. What is this going on? Nobody is listening to anyone. What is the purpose of this shouting? Question hour, question 151. Let the answer be given. Question 151. Minister for Consumer Affairs. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down.
माननीय सभापति जी, आपके माध्यम से
Please sit down. Please sit down. House is adjourned for 10 minutes. I would request those who want to carry out a debate which has nothing to do with question hour, they can go out and carry out the debate.